Okay children, now we are going to see about the first standard maths, that is unit 2 numbers. In this number you are going to see number sequence up to 10,000. In the previous classes you might have seen about up to 10,000. So the transport, one paragraph they are given, the transport department on Thursday announced that 10,000 special bus services will be operated from November 3 to 5 to accommodate the passengers during the Diwali season. So Thursday they announced 10,000 special bus services will be operated from 3rd September, November to 5th November to accommodate for the passengers those who are going for the Diwali season. Of this 9,967 special services, 6,367 buses will run from the Chennai to other districts and 3,600 will run within the districts. So in this 10,000 special buses, 9,967 special services buses are there, and in that 6,367 buses will run from Chennai to other districts. 3,600 buses will run within the other district. Okay, let us discuss the following question. What does this text talk about? Idle enna sollirukanga 10,000 solranga, 9,000 bus podunranga, 6,600 300 bus vande districts other districts secondraanga, and 3,600 will go for the within the districts. What is this special about the festival? What is special? Diwali is a festival for everybody to enjoy. Everyone will go to the native places to celebrate the festival. Okay, how many of you will go to your relatives, or even for Diwali or any celebration or any festival, we will go to our relations' house, nearby house. We are going by the train, by the bus, by car, anything, because so many holidays will come for the festivals. So how many of you will go to your relatives' home, and how many of you will travel to other places? We will be traveling to the other places for the festival also. So what do this number conveys? They are telling that 10,000. This 10,000, this number conveys the number sequence. So this only we are going to see about this in this lesson. So today in this first one, we are going to see the numbers. We have seen 1 to 100 and 100 to 900 and 900 and 101 to 1000, then 1001 to 10,000. So like that it will be going on. We have already seen that. So we have studied up to the number names up to 20. Now we are going to learn the names of the larger numbers. Okay. So 1 to 20 we have learned the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 number names we have learned. So how do we name the larger words? So suppose if they come 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, now we can say 100, 500, 600 like that. Or anything 900, 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that. Large numbers if they come means how we will say the largest numbers. So for that, first one is an example. So 1283. So what is this 1283? So you just write the digits, ones, tens, hundreds, and th na 1000. Okay, th means 1000. Okay, O means ones, T is tens, H is hundreds, and TH is the 1000. So this is 1000 place la 1 is there. So we have to say 1000. 2 is in 100 place, 200. 8 is in tens place. So 8 tens means that is 80. And 3 in ones place is 3. So we can read the number like this. So 1283. So 1283. So how to write in expanded form? So we have to write this in expanded form. So expanded form na, and then the numbers, what all the numbers are in which place? So 1 in which place? 1000. Suppose if there is a number 4 is there, means you have to write 4000. Can you understand? Now here they are given 1000. Now how many hundreds are there? 200 plus 200 plus 8 is tens place. So you have to write 80 plus 3. So we got 1000, 3 zeros, and then hundreds 2 zeros, tens 1 0 and 3. Okay children, 1000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 3. So this is the expanded form. So the number name, how to write the number name? This is the expanded form. Now we have to write the number name. So number name எப்படி எழுதணும்? 1283. 1283. Okay. 1283. That is the expanded form, and this is the number name. Okay, now we will move on to the exercises. Which one is very easy for you to follow, children? So 4-digit number na 1000, 1-digit number is 10, 2-digit number is 100, 3-digit number is 1000. Now here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the following in numbers. Exercise 2.1, page number 20. So write the following number in words. Write the following number in words. So what are the numbers they are given? 1, 0, 0, 6. First sum they are given. So you put the digits, I said, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. TH means thousand, I said. So write the digits like this and give some gap. That's why I put the lines to differentiate. In the thousand ko hundreds ko we must have some gap so that we can easily put the digits. So in the digits editing, it will be easy for you to write the numbers. Okay. So 1 in which place? Thousands place. You write 1000. 1 in thousands place. 1000. In hundreds place there is no number, so leave it. And tens place also no number, that is 0 only, and here is 6. So you write 1006. Okay children, next 6327. So 6 in which place? Thousand place, 3 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place and 7 in ones place. So 6 in thousand means 6000. 6,000. 3 in hundreds place, so that gives you 300s. 300s. 6,300. 2 in tens place. So 2 in tens place na 2 tens are 20. So you have to write 20 and 7 in ones place. 327. So tens and ones digit சேர்த்து படிக்கணும். So these two numbers together you can say 27. So 6327. Then third sum 9097. Fourth one. Okay. Now here in this 9 in thousands place and hundreds place there is no number, and 9, another 9 is in tens place, that gives you 90, and 7 in ones place, that gives you 7. So how can we read this number? 9097. 9 last two numbers you say together. Either 97 da number padipom, 97 hundreds la number illa, so you can write 9000. 9000. Hundreds place there is no number, so you write 9097. Okay, now we'll move on to the next. Here in thousands place 10 years given, so you have to write 10,000. What is that? 10,000. But hundreds no numbers, tens no number, and ones also no number. So you can easily write 10 in thousands place. You can write just 10,000. Note down in your book, children, 10,000. The next one is 8 in which place? 8 is in thousands place. So you can write 8,000. 8 in thousand place. That gives you, write the spelling 8 and 1000. 8,000. And 9 in hundreds place here. So that gives you 900. And tens place there is no number. And 6 ones. So you can write 906. Okay children. So while you are given the numbers like this means you put ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. According to the digits, in the digits number you can write. So have you all copied on this? Now we'll move on to the write the numeral for the following. Here they are given the number and we have written in words. Now they are given the numerals. Write the numerals. We have to write the numerals. They are given in words. We have to write in numerals. Page number 21 pick. Page number 21. Be some. Write the numeral. Write the numerals for each of the following. Here they are given 7064 first sum. 7,000 and 64. So you can write here, put one column, yeah. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Now, first sum is 7,000. You write 7 in thousands place. And 64. Hundreds and varla and 64. So, hundreds is 0 potrukanga. 60 means 10, 6 tens are 60 and 4 in one's place. So, this is the answer 7, 0, 6, 4. Okay. Now, second sum. 9,340. 9,340. Okay, how many thousands are there? 9,000. So you write 9 in thousands place. And how many hundreds? 300. So hundreds place 3. And 40. 40 na 4 tens are 40. Once there is no number, just they are given 40. So you put 0. So answer is 9340. So you get rough column la, just like this. In the mari digits potukudu, you can write the number and afterwards you can write the answer also in the dash. And this one, next one is 5,673. 5,673. So for this sum, how many thousands are there? 5,000. So you write 5 in thousands place. 600. 6 in hundreds place. And 73. 7 tens and 3 ones. 73. Now fourth one is 10,000. 10,000. So easily you can write. In thousands place you write 10 and other place you can write 0. So for fourth sum 5,673 and this is 10,000. Okay. Now fifth sum 4,306. 306. So you can write 4 in thousands place and 3 in hundreds place 300 and 6 in the kuduthirukanga. Appo that should come tens la no number. You put 0, so that gives you 6. So answer is 4306. Okay children, so copy down this. Okay, now okay, answer the following questions. Ramu went to a bank to deposit rupees 7500. Deposit na bank lo kondu poi panam kattradu. In the deposit form, he has to fill up the amount in words. So while we are depositing the amount in the bank, you have to fill the amount, how much rupees you are going to put it in the bank. Could you please help him? So he has written rupees 7500 he is going to deposit in the bank. So in this you have to fill up the form, and the form lo fill பண்ணும்போது how to write this number? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So you write 7000. 7 in thousands place you can write 7000 and 5 in hundreds place 500. You have to write in words like this. In tens and ones there is no number. And the next one, find the greatest 2-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number and write the names. Greatest 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit number. Which is the greatest 2-digit number? So greatest na G naka 9 nu nyabachkonga, that is 99. Okay, and greatest 3-digit number G na 9 mari irukum. So adanal 2-digit number na 29 போடணும். 3-digit number means 3 numbers you can write. So that is a easy way to remember. So இது வந்து 999. So write this in words. 99, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 99. Next one, 999. 900 and 99. Okay children, so these are the numbers in words. So you have to write down these numbers in words. Okay, now all this we are seeing in write in numbers and write the number names. Numbers கொடுத்துட்டு words எழுத சொல்லுவாங்க. Next வந்து write the numeral for each of the following means they will give the words, we have to write down the numbers. So number names and numerals we have seen in the 4-digit numbers. Suppose next one is what is this number? Can you say the number? How to read the 4-digit number? 1004. How can you read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 1004. And this one 2371. 5683. 9000. So like this only we have to read the numbers. These are the 4-digit numbers. So 1004. So 4-digit numbers sonda, that should be starting with a 1000. 1000 lendu dhaan sollanum. 2371. Then 5683. Then 9000. Like this you can write the numbers and say it. Okay children, thank you. We continue in the next class.